What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. In the last video, we began painting the gas tank for the BSA. Now in this video, I'm going to continue working on that tank. So I'll be adding light marks, accents, and if I have time today, I may get to the finishing details before we clear it. But I'm going to see how far I can get. Check it out. Now it's a gorgeous day out today and it's perfect time. Humidity is just right. The air and the wind are pretty calm, so it's actually a really good time to get painting done. So I'm kind of happy with the weather. I decided that we're going to continue this today. So as you remember, we have our tank and we painted it the teal. Now I've got two different accent colors here. We've got Krylon's matte sea green for light highlights, and then we have satin rolling surf for darker highlights. Let's see how it comes out. Okay, so I started off with this lighter shade coming down the middle, and I may do some strokes down the side here, and I may do some dark accents on the back and on the bottom, just to try to give it some different light contour. But I know it looks weird now. I mean, it looks kind of cool two-tone like that. You got the teal with the lighter cream green going across the center there, and it doesn't look bad. It looks really cool. I like the transition here, but we'll see how this plays out, if I want more, if not. But this is a good starting point. I'm okay with this. Like I said, if I don't like it in the end, what do? Sand it and do it all over again. Okay, so I added a few more accents on the side here, and I'll be honest with you, I really like how this is starting to come out. Like, this is starting to look pretty unique and interesting, and I'm really digging this design. I can't wait to see how it looks on the finishing touches, but I'm very excited. Hopefully you guys, enjoy the big experience. Like I said, this is an art project for me. This is me trying my hand at something I've never done before, and I really just want to see how it comes out. So you can't go wrong with this. You can't mess this up. This is completely new to me just trying my hand at spray paint design on a gas tank. And if I like it, then I'll keep going. If not, well, I'll either redo it or try it again on a different gas tank. But I like how this is coming out so far. Okay, so as you can see, I added those dark accents to cause some of that shadowing contour for the light gradients there. As you can see, you got the real light bright in the front, and then as you get closer to the back where the light fades away, it gets darker. Now this will all look a little more cartoony or drawn once I put the black markings and take my marker and scribble on it and make it look really cool. But I'll be honest with you, man, for a first stab at this and like trying to get contours and different shades in there to create shadowing effects as if like I'm already leaning over the tank here, I'm digging it. I'm digging it a lot. This has turned out to be a lot of fun. Oh yeah. Well, that's it, guys. That's gonna do it for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. As always, I love you. Check in for part 3 when we go over having to do the black lines, the markers, and the fine accent details on the tank. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm nervous, but it's a good nervous. It's an excited nervous because I don't know if it's gonna be great. I've never done this before. This is my first hand at it. So far, I'm pretty happy with what we have. As always, guys, like, subscribe, keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. Hit me up if you want some of that Robbie swag. And as always, it's okay to suck. Just don't give up. I'll see you next time.